We're in the Asian Inspirations kitchen today and I'm here with Chef Heather. What are we going to be making today, Chef?
Oh, Elena, we're making japchae.
Japchae?
Yeah, it's a sweet potato noodle dish.
Excellent, so I can eat it and I'm gluten-free?
Yes, definitely.
Ah,
definitely.
excellent.
Yeah,
what else do we have in here?
Well, japchae means assorted vegetables. So even though we've got meat, it's all about sweet potato noodles, and we're going to have marinate some beef using bulgogi sauce.
Oh, yum, one of my favorites.
Yeah.
So, mixed vegetables, we could eat this all year round, and no matter if you do or don't like some vegetables, you can put your favorites in?
Exactly. So first of all, I'm going to marinate this beef.
Yes.
With OTTOGI's bulgogi marinade.
Bulgogi marinade, yum.
So it's a really delicious marinade sauce. And it's got garlic and soy and even like 7 different types of fruit.
Oh, amazing.
Which is really...
So different levels of sweetness there.
Yes. And we're going to marinate this very quickly.
Yes.
And you can marinate this for about 15 minutes.
Okay.
Or you can leave it to marinate overnight. It's up to you.
Okay.
Could you drop these sweet potato noodles in here? It's very transparent. It looks like, you know, like
so
pasta.
a little bit like rice vermicelli, sort of a similar...
Yes. Yeah, it's a glass noodle. It's a form of glass noodle.
Wonderful.
Yeah, you could drop it in
the
there.
whole packet?
Yes, and you don't have to salt the water.
Okay.
Because there'll be quite a lot of soy seasoning. Boil it for about 6 to 7 minutes. It's a Korean way to slice onions the long way with the grain, unless the recipe says otherwise. We're going to do some carrots here, thin slices. Julienne. I don't like capsicum when it's too raw, so I'm going to put the capsicum in first. Right.
So that's to have a range of textures when you're eating?
Yes, and colour as well. And as you can see, this is a one-pot dish because we're going to use the same wok.
No cleaning up.
Yeah.
I think we all like that.
And then we're just going to put the marinated meat, which is called bulgogi, into the hot wok. Just going to get the OTTOGI bulgogi marinated sauce ready because we're going to add a little bit more.
Excellent. So you can use it as a pre-marinade and a post.
Yes,
excellent.
that's right. So it's all pretty easy, and the meat takes a couple of minutes to cook, really. And let's have a look at the sweet potato noodles, Selena. Right. Yeah. So it's very transparent, translucent.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm just going to have a little taste.
Okay.
Right. That's perfect. It's got a little bite, which is really lovely.
Okay.
No, absolutely no fat in this noodle.
And long lasting, so you can always have a packet in your cupboard.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Wonderful.
So we can just...
So I'll drain these for you?
Thank you.
Okay.
So we've got tangyang, which is sweet potato noodles that we've cooked. Unlike Italian pasta, I always like to rinse this quickly with cold water. It's a different type of noodles. And it's better when it's liquid from the water. Yeah. So we're going to add maybe 1 more tablespoon full of this beautiful bulgogi sauce. It's not japchae unless there's lots and lots of black pepper.
Ah, okay.
So it's a peppery dish.
Beef and pepper are best friends anyway.
Yeah, and
excellent.
And it's not Korean food unless we have sesame oil. Yo's sesame oil. We're all about the sesame oil.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not a little goes a long way. You can't have enough sesame oil.
I'm so glad to hear this.
And I like to add the spinach, just for the green.
Lovely.
Right at the end so that it doesn't wilt too much.
Okay.
All right, let's plate this up, Elena.
Well, I'm going to let
the
master do that.
Yes. Okay, so this is a lot of japchae, but it disappears very quickly.
Just enough for the two of us though, right?
Yeah. Got this glistening sweet potato noodles.
Absolutely. This is a great family meal because you can sort of...
Yes, that's right. And we can have this as a main or an appetizer.
Excellent.
And you can have this hot like this.
Yeah.
Or you can have it cold or room temperature. Excellent. It's all party food. It's good for lots of different parties.
Wonderful. Well, I am so excited to see this and thank you so much for showing us how to make this beautiful japchae.
Yeah, thank you, Elena.